Are you tired of opening your phone just to watch a few minutes of your favorite show? Do you wish that you could use that awesome cover screen on your Z Flip 5 to watch Netflix? Well, you're in luck. Today, I'm going to show you how to enjoy your Netflix on the cover screen of your Z Flip 5, making it super convenient to watch on the go. So first, you're going to need to install the Netflix app on your phone. Then you're going to activate the Flex Mode feature, the Flex Mode feature on your Z Flip 5. This is going to allow you to watch your favorite shows with the phone partially folded. So once you do that, you're going to need to use the Samsung's cover screen apps, that feature, okay, to set Netflix as one of the apps on your cover screen. After that, you can open your Netflix directly from the cover screen. So remember to adjust your settings so that the video plays smoothly and in full view. With these simple steps, you're never going to have to open your phone again to watch Netflix. Now, that's pretty much how to do it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, let me know that it worked for you, and subscribe for more exciting tips and tricks. Thanks for being here. Love you. Ciao.